Hello. So what you see on your screens is what I like to call a demo menu. So our first persona is Tim. Tim is a business analyst working for House Assist, and he wants to configure what personal data is not stored in analytics. So to do that, he will start by creating templates in GCP to identify that data that he wishes to redact. And then within console UI, he will connect those templates to the channel of choice. Then to see this in practice, we will look at a simple customer journey. So Lisa will be our customer and she will contact House Assist to inquire about a plumbing and drainage cover. And then she will go through a two-step identification and verification process where she will provide that DII data. And then we will go back to our business analyst, Tim, who will show us a report where we will see that data being redacted. So Tim, our business analyst, wants to configure what data doesn't get saved in his analytics. So in order to do so, he needs to create the templates in GCP that will identify the PII data and then redact and replace that information. There's two types of templates. So inspect is the first one, which is where you configure what specific data you want to find within the data that you're putting the DLP API against. So John will now proceed with the creation of the template. He'll give a logical name, display name, and the description. And he will continue with the process. Now Google has a number of specific out-of-the-box classes that we can use, as you see on the screen. And you can also create custom ones that would fit your business needs. So what John is doing now is selecting what information he doesn't want to include in his analytics. And that is the first name, the last name, and the date of birth. And the template is now created. John will move on with creating the second template that controls what will be done with the identified information. So how we're going to redact and replace the information that will then be stored in analytics. And so again, he gives it the name, display name, and a description, similarly to the previous template. And he will choose a transformation method to be replace. And his string value will be the following. And he will create this template. So now what's left to do is to connect the created templates with console. So John will navigate to data, DLP template, and he will create a new one. He will give it a name, and then he will paste the links from the two created templates. So this link will be the path to the template that will be used to connect it with console. And the same goes for the other template. And finally, John will connect the DLP profile with his automation profile. So he will select a desired Dialogflow agent and the DLP template. He's got the locale configured, text-to-speech, as well as the entry points, and that's configuration done. So let's see what we've just configured through a customer journey. So Lisa is on House Assist website and she wants to inquire about a plumbing and drainage cover. She is asked to provide her name as the identification field. And then she will provide her date of birth as the verification field. So now we will look at this customer journey through a report, and you will see the personal information that Lisa provided just now in a redacted form in the report. So therefore we will include the time to be the past 5 minutes, and we've got the utterance included, and we will run this report. As you can see, the personal information is hidden. Thank you for your attention.